got 2016 Mercedes, and for a blackout package we're getting rid of the chrome grille, the chrome piece at the bottom, chrome emblems, chrome trim, rocker molding, and same with the back end. So we're getting a different set of wheels for this. The shop, time to get to work, time to strip this bad boy. Alright, the whole car is stripped. Here's all the little pieces, all the moldings that we gotta paint, black color, and here's the car stripped completely, all the moldings in the back, doors. Alright, we got all the trim pieces in the spray boot. Time to primer and then paint. We'll do black primer and then we'll get painted satin black. So yeah, it's gonna look insane. All the pieces are primered, prepped, and ready to go, ready for paint. We got all the pieces painted. Time to install them back. That's the grill. Those are all the moldings for the grill moldings. Side moldings. So yeah, let's get to it. Tips got blocked out as well. So nothing chrome whatsoever.
You in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high.